Hey everybody, today I'm working on an E350 that needs a thermostat. So we called to get a thermostat for it. So I know that the Wahler brand is like the original equipment that Mercedes Benz uses. So here is the original thermostat that came out of here. You can see it says Wahler, Germany, and then the Mercedes Benz part number right there. So on the brand new thermostat, as you can see, it says Wahler, Germany, but where the Mercedes Benz part number is, they have grounded off. So I would have to say that this is the original equipment thermostat for this car. So you'll probably save yourself a little bit of money on these German cars if you know that they have Wahler thermostats to buy the Wahler brand and you're getting the same thermostat that the dealer uses originally. All right, everybody, just a real quick one just to show you what I've seen over the years. I've actually seen this also on Toyota water pumps where you get an aftermarket Aisin water pump and they have ground the Toyota markings off. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my quick automotive videos.